Are you struggling with cart abandonment on your website? Well, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Proof to reduce cart abandonment and boost your sales. Stick around to learn how this powerful tool can transform your checkout process and increase your conversion rates. Now, Proof is a powerful software that helps you leverage social proof to drive conversions. Social proof refers to the idea that people are more likely to take action if they see others doing the same thing. With Proof, you can show visitors that others are buying your product, signing up for your service, or engaging with your brand. This helps build trust and urgency, ultimately reducing cart abandonment. You can use Proof for free by clicking the first link below, which gives you exclusive access to a free trial and some special bonuses. Let's dive into how it works. First, Proof allows you to display real-time notifications that show activity happening on your site. For example, if someone makes a purchase or signs up for your newsletter, you can display a message like, "John from New York just bought this product." This creates an environment of urgency, encouraging visitors to act fast before they miss out on the same opportunity. Next, Proof allows you to create pop-ups that display real-time stats on how many people are currently viewing a product, how many units have been sold recently, or even how many people are on the checkout page. These notifications serve as subtle nudges to reassure potential buyers that they are not alone in their decision. This kind of information can make all the difference in preventing cart abandonment. Another useful feature is Proof's ability to show recent purchases, especially if a visitor is lingering on a product page. This technique taps into the fear of missing out, FOMO, motivating visitors to complete their purchase while they still can. And the beauty of this feature is that it can be customized to fit your branding so it doesn't feel intrusive. But don't just take my word for it, the data backs it up. According to studies, adding social proof to your site can increase conversions by as much as 34%. Proof has helped numerous businesses cut down on cart abandonment and increase their sales simply by using the power of real-time social validation. Let's talk about the setup. Proof is incredibly easy to integrate with your e-commerce platform. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or other popular platforms, setting up Proof is a breeze. You simply connect your store, choose the type of notifications you want to display, and you're ready to go. Plus, the interface is user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it effectively. Now, you may be wondering about customization. The great thing about Proof is that you can tailor the notifications to suit your brand. You can adjust the message, the style, and even the colors to make sure the notifications align with your website's look and feel. This helps ensure that social proof doesn't distract or annoy visitors, but blends seamlessly into your site. One key aspect of Proof is the ability to create urgency and scarcity. This is especially helpful when you want to clear out inventory or push a limited time offer. For example, you can show that a product has a limited number of units left in stock, prompting customers to act quickly before it's too late. Combining this scarcity with social proof has been shown to significantly reduce cart abandonment. As I mentioned earlier, you can get started with Proof for free by using the link in the description. When you click that link, you'll also get an exclusive extended trial, allowing you to test out all of the features and see how it works for your business. This is a great opportunity to explore how Proof can fit into your cart abandonment strategy and start seeing results without any risk. If you're serious about reducing cart abandonment and boosting your sales, Proof is a game changer. By leveraging social proof, creating urgency, and showing real-time activity, you'll be able to convince hesitant shoppers to follow through on their purchases. And with its easy setup and customization, you'll be up and running in no time. So don't wait any longer. Click the link below, start your free trial, and discover the power of Proof for reducing cart abandonment. Trust me, it's a tool that can make a real difference in your business's bottom line.